Good morning, folk. I'd like to take you through the ribbon, how we can place items that we use regularly, the subscript, the superscript, inserting a caption, inserting index items, inserting a footnote. These are things that I use regularly. So we've just got a little document here, H2O. And we want to get a subscript, so it's pretty easy. We just select that and we ping the H2O, or the meters squared. So how did we get that? We click on this down arrow and we can put it below the ribbon, but what we're really interested in is more commands. And Word thinks it knows what you want, and mostly that's fine, but if you need to look at the whole list of options, the whole list is in all commands, and that's a massive list. So we go looking in popular commands for subscript, superscript. Doesn't look like it's there, so we better go looking in all commands. And I did tell you it was a lot. Superscript, so we click on superscript and we add it. It's already there. And subscript, we click on it, add, and bear in mind you can remove. So these are items I've put in, and I click OK, and it's sitting there available for us. So the footnote, another useful one, I can just click in my footnote and the job is done. So there it is. That's the way of making use of this ribbon to add items that are always available for you. That'll do for this video. Thanks for listening.